After receiving the dash camera, please insert the memory card into the card slot. This is the front of the memory card. This is the back of the memory card. Please insert the memory card with its back facing forward into the card slot of the device. Insert the screw. Tighten with a wrench. Please plug the wired controller, cameras and GPS into the corresponding connection ports of the main unit. After connection, please tighten the interface. Then use the USB test cable to check if the recorder's function is normal. Use a charger or power bank applicable voltage 5V for power supply during testing. Align the bracket with the bracket hole on the host. Insert the screw piece into the screw. Insert the screw hole. Repeat the above steps on the other side. Tighten with a wrench. Choose the appropriate gasket based on the bike handlebars. Put on the other half of the bracket. Insert the screw piece into the screw. Insert the screw hole. Repeat the above steps on the other side. Put on the nut. Tighten with a wrench. Repeat the above steps on the other side. Installation completed. Align the bracket with the bracket hole on the host. Insert the screw hole. Tighten with a wrench. Installation completed. Tear off the tape of the anti-slip pad. Stick it onto the host at the position of the bracket hole. Place the L-shaped bracket in the position of the host bracket hole. Insert the screw hole. Tighten with a wrench. Select the size of the handlebar fixing accessories according to the handlebar condition. Insert the screw. Tighten with a wrench. Fasten the Velcro to the upper and lower sides with screws. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera, then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Insert the metal sheet into the screw for installation. After fixing the bracket with screw, install the nut. Tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with tape. Tighten the screw onto the motorcycle. Open the motorcycle pad and prepare to install the power cable. Connect the black wire of the multimeter to the negative pole of the battery, and plug the red wire into the ACC power port for testing. Find where the ACC wire needs to be connected. Turn the motorcycle key to turn on the power. The voltage displayed on the multimeter indicates that this may be the ACC power we are looking for. Turn the key to turn off the power. The voltage becomes 0, and the location of the ACC is determined. Then start installing the power cable. Connect the red wire of the power cable to the positive pole of the motorcycle battery. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the battery. Tighten the port of the yellow wire. Open the ACC port found. Thread the yellow wire to the port for fixation. After fixing it, restore the port. Tear off the adhesive tape of the power module and stick it in the appropriate position. Turn the key to check if the power module lights up. If it lights up, it indicates that the power cable has been successfully installed.